In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up personal and round-robin calendars in GoHighLevel. Start inside your account by opening Settings and then Calendars. This is your central hub for creating and managing all scheduling options. Let's build a personal calendar first. Click Create Calendar and choose Personal. Before anything else, head to Basic Details and enter a clear, descriptive calendar name. Adding the name first helps prevent setup glitches and keeps things organized, especially if you'll create multiple calendars later. Next, open Staff and Location. Select this single user who will take the bookings, then pick the meeting location that fits how you work. Zoom, a custom link, phone, or a physical address. Choose the option you actually use so every booking generates accurate instructions for your clients. Move to Availability to set your working days and hours. Be realistic here. If you work in multiple time zones or have lunch breaks, reflect that in your schedule to avoid back-to-back overload. Under Booking Rules, define the meeting duration, the interval between start times, and buffer times. Buffers help you reset between calls and prevent one meeting from bleeding into the next. You can also cap how many appointments you'll take per day to protect your time. Expand advanced settings to fine-tune the experience. In Form and Confirmation, choose the intake form fields you need, and set a post-booking redirect if you want to send clients to a thank you page. If you charge for calls, enable payments. In Notifications and Policies, set email or SMS reminders and add cancellation or reschedule rules to reduce no-shows. Finally, update widget appearance to match your brand so the booking page feels consistent. Click Save Changes to lock in your personal calendar. Now let's create a round-robin calendar. Click Create Calendar and select Round Robin. Again, start in Basic Details and name this calendar clearly so your team knows its purpose. In Staff and Location, select multiple users who will share bookings. Then choose how to distribute appointments. Optimize for Availability assigns the earliest open spot to any team member, while Optimize for Equal Distribution spreads bookings evenly. You can also optionally set a priority for certain users if needed. Go to Availability and configure the schedule that applies across all selected users. Make sure it aligns with each person's work hours to avoid conflicts. In Booking Rules, set your duration, buffers, and any booking limits. Then, open Advanced Settings to configure Form and Confirmation, payments, notifications and policies, and widget appearance, just like you did for the personal calendar. Finish by clicking Save Changes. That's it. You've set up both a personal and a round-robin calendar in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.